What's up, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones. So we're back in sunny Florida doing some more training with public safety, and wanted to take some time to hit a really important element that cannot get overlooked, and that is remote ID. If you're a subscriber to our channel, you have probably seen that we've already made 5 videos on remote ID, with one master video that explains it's a 20-minute video that really breaks down the proposed remote ID in its entirety. So if you haven't checked out that video or the other videos on various topics of remote ID, please check that. Now, we have a deadline. The deadline is March 2nd. So we are still in February right now. We have a little more time to be able to add our feedback. So I have seen a lot of people make comments, posts, feedback regarding the current videos that I've made regarding remote ID. And I just want to share some things about it and have a little bit of discussion regarding some of the things. So a lot of people are just throwing their hands up and saying, okay, nothing can be done, and the FAA is nothing but a money grab, and we might as well just go ahead and stop using drones, and the drone industry is done. That is such, it's very disappointing for people to hear people say that, because I really feel that there is a chance to make a difference in regards to how the remote ID is going to actually be written and finalized. A lot of people think, oh, the FAA, they have their minds made up and it is what it is, nothing's going to change. I cannot disagree more with that. A perfect proof is the 107 remote pilot certificate test, or just the process of that certificate. And what was originally proposed is significantly different than what actually came out in the final version that was actually released in 2016. So I can't emphasize enough that the FAA will look at the feedback. Now, obviously, we don't want to go ahead and just say, hey, FAA, screw you. You got to give and say, look, I disagree with these proposals or these specific proposed ideas. Why you disagree with them, and make some argumenting facts, supporting documents, or whatever details you can provide, and give that to them. That's super important, because we're running out of time. This is going to shape the drone industry for years to come. It is a matter of fact that remote ID is coming. It's not here yet. It will be here in about 4 years, and it's going to shape how drones are being able to be flown from hobbyists, recreational flyers, commercial flyers. It's going to affect everybody. So we all want to be able to voice our opinions in the most professional and elegant ways to be able so that it makes a difference, because it can make a difference. If everybody just simply throws up their arms and says, screw it, then, and unfortunately, then it can be very detrimental to the drone industry, in my opinion. So with that said, please, if you haven't already, go to the FAA's specific location for where the comment sections are, and give your really good professional feedback, at least very mature, well thought out feedback, and we can make a difference. Like always, thanks again. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please help us grow the channel. We are giving away a free Mavic Mini to one lucky subscriber by the end of the month. Thanks again. If you like this video and like to see more free videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, if you're interested in free lessons on how to fly drones, discounts on drone equipment, discounts on insurance, or access to our exclusive drone video library, check out our website, steelcityflightacademy.com.